Sky? Where are you, Sky? Sky? Hey! Yeah! O, dali. Tago ulit kayo. Dali. O, dali. Papasok na siya, Ate Una. Ala, bad. Halika na. Bad. Skyler. Saan? Ala. Ala. You say sorry. You say sorry. You say sorry to Ate Nana. Dali na. Kayo, cry si ate. You say sorry. No. Bad.
Yeah, bad. Bad.
Bad, Skyler. You say sorry. Dali na. You say sorry na, baby, please. Dali na, good boy yan eh. Dali na. Come here. Good boy yan eh. Come here na, dali na, baby.
Yan, love ni Ate Una.
Oh, you say sorry na. You say sorry. You say sorry muna. You say sorry. You say sorry. Dali na. Love mo na siya. Hagag mo na si Ate Una. Dali na.
Bad ka, bad.
Hagag mo na nga siya. Dali na. Oh. Sky. You say sorry. Oh, you say sorry na. Dali. Skyler. Hagag mo na siya. Hag. No. Bad. Love na, nak. Play daw kayo eh, di ba? Oh, love mo na, Ate Una. Hey.
Iwan mo na siya, Nana, kung ayaw niya mag-sorry sa'yo.
Wala ka ng playmate.
Babay na yan. Wala ka ng playmate yan. Hindi ka nag-sorry eh. Tawag natin Ate Una. Ha? Tawag natin Ate Una. O you say sorry, opo. You say... Oh, you say sorry, opo. No, dirty yan eh. You say sorry, opo. Tawag ko Ate Una, opo. Ha? Oh. Why? Mamaya mo na panoorin. Dali na. You say sorry muna to Ate Nana. You say sorry to Ate Nana, okay? Wala naman eh. Ikaw. Wow. Asim-asim ka na daw. Ay, Asim, asim. Ay sus, nginig. Later. Sing ka muna daw. Oh, we are flying on an airplane, looking at the window, watching the clouds go by. Flying on an airplane, looking at the window, up so very high. If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, dali na. Oh, what a rain that would be. Nye, hindi ka naman nagsising. Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Away.